Hey everyone, Zane here, and today we're going to review Google AI Studio. The Google's AI new playground for building and developing AI apps faster than ever. Whether you are a developer, data scientist, or just AI curious, this platform has a lot to offer, but it's not without its downsides. So in this video, we'll break down the key features, explore the pros and cons, and help you decide whether it's worth trying in 2025. What is Google AI Studio? First off, what is Google AI Studio? Well, it is a web-based tool by Google that lets you build, test, and deploy AI models, especially generative models like text-based assistants and chatbots, all without writing too much code. It's kind of like OpenAI's Playground or Microsoft's Copilot Studio, but with deeper integration into the Google ecosystem. Whether you are using Gemini models or importing your own data, AI Studio is designed to make the development process smooth, visual, and fast. It's free to get started, and everything runs right in your browser. Features of overview. Now let's talk about features. Here's what you get with Google AI Studio in 2025. Number one, Gemini model integration. You can instantly access and interact with Google's Gemini 1.5 models, which offer multimodal capabilities, long context understanding, and better reasoning than earlier generations. Prompt design and testing. A simple interactive prompt design tool lets you test and iterate on prompts live, seeing how different variations perform, and this is great for fine-tuning responses. Multimodal support. You can add text, image, and even code inputs, making it ideal for more complex apps and use cases. Shareable projects. You can share your experiments and setups with teammates using just the link. Super useful for collaboration. Code export. Once you are happy with your project, you can export it directly into code for deployment, including REST APIs or Node.js snippets. Google Cloud integration. If you want to scale or move to production, AI Studio makes it easy to transition your work to Google Cloud Vertex AI. Pros. Now let's talk about the pros and what does Google AI Studio do really well. User-friendly interface. Even if you are not an ML expert, the interface makes it easy to get started and experiment. Access to Gemini models. You get cutting-edge LLMs right out of the box, with excellent performance in summarization, translation, Q&A, and coding tasks. Great for rapid prototyping. You can go from idea to working demo in minutes, especially handy for startups or internal tools. Free tier available. You do not need a Google Cloud account to start, and there is no billing unless you move to production. Seamless Google ecosystem integration. If you are already using Google Cloud or Firebase, this tool fits right in. Safe and responsible AI. Built-in features help detect toxicity, bias, and hallucinations, something not all platforms offer. Cons. For Sorry, nothing is perfect, and here are a few downsides or limitations. Number one, limited customization. While it's great for prototyping, advanced users might find it restrictive compared to open source options like LangChain or Hugging Face. Still evolving. Some features feel beta level, occasional bugs, and not every export works smoothly across environments. Requires Google account. You are logged into Google ecosystem, which might be a turn off if you are using AWS or Azure. No full model training yet. This is not the place to train your own LLM from scratch. It is more about using existing models with your data. Privacy concerns. Like with any cloud-based AI platform, you will not double check how your data is stored and used, especially in sensitive industries use cases. So who is Google AI Studio really for? It's for developers looking to test prompt ideas fast, startups prototyping AI features, educators or students learning generative AI, businesses creating internal tools, assistance, or automation, even content creators or marketers trying to speed up workflows with AI. Basically, if you want to harness LLMs but do not want to build everything from scratch, this is a great entry point. Final verdict. So what is the final verdict? Google AI Studio is a powerful, accessible, and fast-evolving tool that makes AI development way more approachable. While it is not the most customizable or open platform out there, it shines for rapid development and experimentation, especially for those already using Google's tools. If you are new to LLMs or just want to play with Gemini's capabilities in a visual environment, this is definitely worth checking out. And that's all for today's review, and if you found it helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching, and see you in a new video.